Welcome back. Let's dive into this segment with some big breaking news coming in. This is a massive one. The marital rape case. Now, it's getting legal recognition as far as the issue of marital rape is concerned, and it's been given legal recognition under the MTP Act. Rapes shall now also include marital rape. This is what the country's apex court has had to say, and that sexual assault by husbands can take a form of rape. This is also what the Supreme Court said, and that legal recognition has come during the hearing case of unmarried women seeking abortion rights. For more details, let's quickly go across to our legal correspondent, Ananya. Ananya, if you could bring us all those details. This is, of course, a massive development, because I remember activists have been actually pushing for marital rape to be recognized legally in the country.
Well, definitely, but this judgment that has come in is a very big one, though it's in parlance of safe abortions and legal abortions, wherein it has been clearly said that all women, whether and irrespective of their marital status, whether it's a married woman or it's an unmarried woman, are actually entitled for a safe and a legal abortion. The judgment that has been rendered by Justice D.Y. Chandrachud also says that under the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act, that is the MTP Act, rapes shall also include marital rapes, because it is a lived reality that women are actually subjected to domestic violence and forced sex, and a child born out of such a relationship is nothing but an assault, and hence there should be a right to such women to conceive such a child. And this judgment is a landmark one, because we remember what happened in Joe versus Wales in the Supreme Court of United States. We also have judgments from other countries. But what is very important at this point of time is, and we are talking on a day when the world is celebrating the Safe Abortion Day, that the Supreme Court of India has paved the way for women's rights, has paved the way for a right to every woman, irrespective of their marital status, irrespective of their age, whether it's a minor or a major. Every woman has a right to a safe and legal abortion. This is what the judgment rendered by the Supreme Court of India, the topmost court of the country, says a big leap forward, a judgment that would go down in the history of not only the Indian judiciary but also worldwide. A judgment that says that women who are minors, women who were subjected to marital rape, women who come under the category of survivors of sexual assault, not only by anyone but also by their husband, that is marital rape, shall also be included for the right of a safe and legal abortion. That's what the Supreme Court has to say, a big judgment being rendered by the topmost court of the country. So this whole journey began with a petition being filed before the topmost court of the country, before a bench headed by Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, which says where a woman, a 24-year-old girl, had actually approached the court saying that she wanted to do a medical termination of pregnancy, but the laws does not allow it. The order was dismissed, the petition was dismissed by the Delhi High Court and subsequently was challenged before the Supreme Court of India. The matter came before Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, and now finally we see that this massive judgment has come in from the Supreme Court of India, where each and every woman's right for a safe and legal abortion has been recognized into this particular case.
Ananya, as you said that this is a landmark judgment, we'll have a lot to discuss on. And on that note, we are also opening our call-in lines to our viewers. Let's also listen in to what our viewers have to say. Is criminalizing marital rape next? That is the question now we are asking, because remember, the Supreme Court has now finally recognized the whole issue of marital rape. Is it not high time for the country also to now criminalize marital rape next? And you can call us and share your views with us on the number that's also flashing on the screens, 0120 434 1895.